Buenas tardes para todos. I suppose many of you in this room have children. We both are mothers. I have 3 children myself, and I am a very happy mother now. But with my first baby, I experienced very drastic changes in my life I wasn't really prepared for. I stopped working as a conference interpreter in Spanish, that's normal, but at the same time, my friends, my hobbies, and my pastimes basically disappeared from my life. My previous identity was gone, and I also left my name. The bus driver, the shop assistant, and the kindergarten teacher started calling me mom. And my life was restricted basically to the apartment, playground, and food store axis, and it seemed to be no doors to take me back to my previous favorite places and friends. So the successful and busy interpreter suddenly turned into an uncertain and lonely mother, left alone in her new and unknown baby world with no one to talk to. Perhaps you know that in Hungary, the employment rate of women is very low compared with other EU member states. Regarding the employment of women with small children, Hungary takes the 25th place. And the proportion of women with part-time jobs is lower than 10%. Only 34% of women with kids until age 6 are employed. It's hard, but there is another fact, a general situation behind this, without numbers and without statistics. That these mothers, in the 3 years of maternity leave in Hungary, that multiplies with the second and third child, are excluded not only from labor market, but also from social life and society. Their competencies and communication skills are undermined. And due to the lack of family-friendly and baby-friendly spaces, they became easily isolated. And they have to deal with low self-confidence and also depression. So the role of working woman and mother in Hungary, the combination of these roles is a very big challenge. So I remember it was an October afternoon in the playground. I was there with many mothers, and we knew exactly that we have another 6 months incarceration ahead of us. That was the moment I decided to do something about that. I will help isolated mothers to find new connections, new relations, because motherhood is not a problem. It can be a period with productivity and value creation. And every mother can find a balance between family, child, and work. So we conducted a survey with more than 300 mothers about their needs. We did a market research and competition analysis in Budapest, Hungary, and we were searching for good examples and similar models in Europe. We defined our target group, and on the basis of our results and the European models, we started to build up our completely innovative business model.
Which is Reloading Motherhood. Actually, we would like to open a cafe and a community space in downtown Budapest, which will be used also for community activities. And as a second pillar, activities for the reintegration to the labor market for these women. And this will be a place where will be very friendly and very nice for all women with little children, where can come to be together with their friends, with children or without children. And how can this will be sustainable? We would like to get the revenues from the coffee, from the paying courses that we will take, and the partners products made by women working at home. Of course, we will calculate with a very low cost as well, because we have a very good agreement with the municipality in Budapest about the renting of the place, and we have a dozen of volunteers. The social benefit is also quite evident, because there is no such a place in Hungary until this time. We would like to make a place for women with little children to make new networks, making knowledge and information sharing, and making the possibility for them to improve their competencies. Where we are now, we have rented the property of 200 square meters in downtown Budapest, and we have started the reconstruction. Our team of volunteers has invested a lot of energy, enthusiasm, and time in the past year into this project. We had a few media appearances, and we won also a few awards. For example, the Nest Award and the Norway Grant, which helped us to start the investment and to make also the business plan of this project. We had a lot of partners who are really waiting for Open the Cafe because they would like to collaborate with us and be together with us in this community space. Actually, at the first year, we will estimate of this 38 euros as a profit. It will be probably enough to buy a new coffee table, at least we hope. But for the third year, we are really estimating a much bigger profit, and we would like to open a new cafe in the city and to start our franchise network as well, because we would not like to stop here in Budapest. We would like to spread our idea also to abroad. Although we have still not opened the cafe, but we are taking the final steps. We are still need some support because actually the cafe now is just like a ruined bar. We have a lot of furniture from friends, but probably we won't have money for buying any other furniture. So it would be very good if we could won that prize today. So when at the first time we went to the municipality and talked to them about our project, they said that they couldn't support us because a project such like this does not exist. And now the same municipality can help us to open the cafe. So we hope that after the opening of the cafe and also now we can change the mother's life in a positive way, but not only them, but also the stakeholders' mentality. So, Cafe Hello Mom, come as a mom, live as a woman, but if you are a man or a father, you are still welcome. Thank you very much for your attention.